So how do you earn the respect of other people? In this video, I'm gonna show you how.
Thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference. And what we are talking about today is how do you earn the respect of other people? See, respect is not something that's given to you just because you have a lot of age, but respect is something that you earn. There can be a lot of people who are younger than you that you respect, and there can be many people who are elder than you that you might not respect a lot. You talk to them nicely, but you don't respect them inside. So how do you earn the respect? I'm going to show you exactly how. So for example, this book, a lot of people talk about different things, but when you write a book, that's the thing. So that's tip number one. You have to develop your expertise. Develop your expertise. So not only you develop your expertise, but you demonstrate your expertise. So it can be through writing some blogs, it can be by gathering more knowledge, it can be by communicating via blogs or LinkedIn articles, or if you have a social media channel. I wrote a book, and when I wrote a book in 2013, everything went totally up completely. My speaking deals became much more higher. I started getting higher fees, speaking engagements. The one-on-one coaching clients I started getting, they were coming pre-sold to me because they understood that I'm an expert in that field. And I have been training for long before 2013, but because I wrote a book and that was like a physical demonstration, people actually understood. So that's a respect that you have to earn by developing your expertise. Tip number two is you have to develop your communication skills. A lot of people have a lot of knowledge and expertise, but they don't know how to communicate that to world. And that's why I'm so passionate about helping people become confident speakers in our event, the Confident Speaker Conference. So you have to understand how to become a good public speaker, how to become a good presenter, how to communicate as a leader, how do you present yourself in the right way, how do you persuade your clients in the best possible way, because your words and your mouth, the things that you're saying, that demonstrate a lot to people than just your bookish knowledge. So make sure you have that and become a better communicator in order to earn the respect of people. And the third tip that I have for you is you must help people to better their lives. Zig Ziglar said many years ago, if you help enough other people get what they want, you will get what you want. So it's not just about gathering knowledge and communicating, but now you have to help other people.
How many of you feel that you have improved your public speaking by coming to the Confident Speaker Conference?
Yes, I am.
Two more questions. How many of you feel that you have improved your communication, confidence and belief about yourself after coming to the Confident Speaker Conference? Last question. How many of you feel that the moment you get out of the door, your life is going to be better than it was until yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, good, man. Thank you so much for being here. Awesome. Give yourself a round of applause, okay? That's all I have. Let's go.
That's what leaders do. That's what mentors do. So make sure you give a helping hand to the other people, the junior people, your next generation, and mentor them and guide them and coach them. And sometimes if they need a little help, do that. If sometimes they need a guidance, do that. If they need some help in their mindset, do that. And by doing that, you are actually being helpful to them. And they now say, that guy Bishal Sarkar helped me in his program and beyond, he gave me 10 times more value. You should go and talk to him. You should go join his program, or you should work under that manager because he's really helpful. You want that kind of reputation. So develop your expertise, develop your communication, and develop an attitude of service by helping people. Once you do that, I can guarantee to you, your income is going to go high, your impact is going to go high, your social influence is going to go high, and your entire lifestyle and happiness is going to go to the next level. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.